Cricket Wireless Voicemail is not automatically enabled on your phone. To set it up using dial codes, start by accessing your phone's dialer. Dial star 86, or on many smartphones, simply press and hold the number 1 key. Follow the automated prompts to create a 4 to 6-digit PIN for security. Then, record your personalized greeting. If star 86 doesn't work, use Cricket's universal access number, 1-805-637-7243. This method works on all Cricket-compatible devices, including basic flip phones. A phone rings with a Cricket sound, signaling the start of voicemail setup. For a visual interface, download the Cricket Visual Voicemail app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Once downloaded, sign in with your Cricket account to access the app. In the app settings, enable Visual Voicemail to activate the feature. Follow the in-app instructions to link the app to your phone number for full functionality. The app provides features to listen, delete, and forward messages, plus AI-powered voice-to-text transcription for easy reading. This method is more modern and convenient compared to traditional dial codes. The app has been updated as of early 2025 to integrate with Google Assistant and Siri for hands-free use.